Polars for Finance. Episode 5. Join DataFrames. The line that stitches the row you have to the lookup table you need. SQL semantics, Polars expression API. Finance data lives in pieces. Prices in one table, sectors in another, fundamentals in a third. Production work is the join. Polars.join is the SQL join you have used 1,000 times. Today, a left join from prices to a sector lookup, then a group by sector for the 7-row sector summary. Load, join, derive, aggregate. We're joining two frames, 28,000 price rows on the left, a 14-row sector lookup on the right. Open nvim. Save it as joins.py plans freitai. Read both frames first. Prices from Parquet, sector map from CSV both have a ticker column, that is our join key. The join. Prices.join, on ticker, how equals left. One method, 3 arguments. Every price row gets stamped with its sector. Print the result. Same 28,000 rows. Now 9 columns instead of 8. The new column on the right is sector. Now chain into a sector-level summary, with columns to add daily returns. Then group by sector and aggregate 3 statistics. Number of tickers per sector, average close, daily return volatility, sorted by average close. Save and run with Python. Two frames. First, 28,000 rows by 9 columns. Second, the sector summary in 7 rows. SPY on top, sector ETFs at the bottom. 3 things to take away. First, df.join is Polars' SQL join. 3 arguments, on, how, and the right side frame. Same semantics as the SQL you already know. Second, the 4 join flavors. Left for tagging, inner for intersection, outer for union, anti for finding the gaps in your lookup table. Third, the canonical analyst pipeline. Load pieces. Join to attach metadata. Derive columns with columns. Summarize with group by plus AGG. 4 expressions. 1 pass over the data. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Subscribe to the playlist for the next episode.